Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials, Python and VS Code. First, open the project folder in VS Code so files and settings are in one place. Next, make sure the Python extension is installed and select the correct interpreter from the command palette. Once done, create or open a Py file and confirm the selected interpreter appears in the blue status bar. This ensures code runs with the intended Python version and packages, which prevents mismatches during execution. Now you create an isolated environment so dependencies stay predictable. Use Python mvenv and activate it in the integrated terminal, then pip install required packages. Once dependencies are set, confirm VS Code is using that venv interpreter. Next, configure how you run and debug. Use the run Python file command for quick runs or add a launch. JSON for breakpoints, args, and environment variables. This lets you step through code, inspect variables, and reproduce runs reliably across machines. Finally, execute your script with run Python file in terminal or press the play icon, and use run and debug for interactive inspection. Make sure breakpoints hit and outputs appear in the terminal or debug console. Configure linters and formatters for cleaner code and add launch. JSON args for different runs. If something breaks, one key troubleshooting tip: confirm the interpreter matches your venv and that extensions are up to date. Misaligned interpreter is the most common cause of missing packages or differing behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.